Hi everyone, Carter, owner of Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota. Today, let me show you this 2016 Volkswagen Touareg Sport with the tech package. It's canyon gray, has the black leatherette inside, the front's heated, both seats are powered, has the big touch screen. Just a really nice look and feel inside this vehicle. It's super clean. 60,000 miles, accident free. We just had it inspected. We're going to buy you 12-month, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty that we're going to give to you for free. You can upgrade that if you like. Comes with the factory tow package. It has the technology package, which gives you all the safety features. The Cooper tires are almost new. You can see it at Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota, or autoramauto.com. Remember, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees.